How to sign up for Wire Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are on Wire Messenger and you are ready to create your account, signing up only takes a few minutes, and once you're done, you can start securely messaging your contacts. First of all, open the Wire Messenger application on your device, and once you're in, you'll see this kind of an interface where you are prompted to enter your email or SSO code. Go ahead and enter any one of them in the text box. Once you do that, click Next. Now on the next page, go ahead and click on Create Account at the bottom, enter your name on the next page, and then go to the password field and enter the password you want to set for your account. While creating a password, keep an eye on these criteria that will pop up as you go ahead and type in a password. Confirm the password on the next field by retyping it again. Now, click on this I agree at the bottom and click Continue. Click on Accept, and on the next page, you'll need to verify your email. Go ahead and open up the email service provider's inbox that you just typed in the email for. Quickly open the email inbox and open the email from Wire. On the next page, you'll see the code. Just go ahead and copy that code or manually type it down correctly inside the Wire app. Right after you do that, click Confirm. On the next page, create a username for yourself and tap on the little next icon, and you have successfully finished your sign up. You've now created your Wire Messenger account and are ready to enjoy secure conversations. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.